Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing our BoxyCharm base box for November 2022. So if you would like to see what all I got in this BoxyCharm box, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So guys, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Belinda. I am a self-taught mature makeup artist here on YouTube. I like to do unboxings, reviews, tutorials, hacks, skincare, hair care, hair tools, clothes, fashion, beauty, everything that has to do with makeup and beauty. I'm your girl. So if that is something that you are interested in, then please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to all so you don't miss a notification. Now let's get into this box. So guys, if you are new and don't know about BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription and we have 3 boxes you can choose from. I'm going to go ahead and do the rundown on the boxes. The first box is the base box. It is $27.99 and you get 5 full-size items in that one. The second box is the Boxy Premium at $39.99 and you get 6 full-size items in that box. And then my favorite is the Boxy Luxe and it is $59.99 and you get 8 full-size items in that box. So if you are interested in trying BoxyCharm, I will leave the link down in my description. Or if you have been with BoxyCharm and are kind of on the fence and want to come back, try it out again. You can cancel anytime that you like, and when you click on the link below, you can set up your boxes and which box you want and things like that. So let's get into this month's box. It's BoxyCharm. It's Giving Giftable Glam. So the first thing that I see on the card is the Ofra Face It Midi palette. Bring the vacay to you with this curated complexion trio to sculpt, warm, and highlight. This palette features buildable matte contours and soft shimmer bronzers, perfectly coordinated for light, medium, and deep skin tones. MSRP $35. So it's a little palette like that. Oh wow. And you can change them out. Looks like this one will be closer to my color, and that one is Rodeo Drive, and I don't think that I have that one, so yay. And I'll try out their bronzers. I already have bronzer on, but I'll try it out in the next time I come in here to do makeup. The next thing is the Soel Hair Tools Mini Heat Brush. This tool is perfect for an on-the-go styling and touch-ups. It's a powerful and easy to use as a full-size tool, but compact enough to carry with you wherever you may go. The rapid heat time and heat resistant bristles allow this cute handy brush to glide through your hair quickly and easily, safe for all hair types. Welcome to your new favorite hair tool. What? MSRP $150? Let your hair shine. Let's look at this. The mini heat brush in apricot. Can't believe this was $150. Oh no, come on. I mean, y'all know I test out hair tools all the time for T3 Micro. This does not feel like $150 hairbrush dryer. It is made of plastic. It has one button, power on and off. That's it. Y'all have seen the tools that T3 Micro sends me, and I have not tried this yet, but I'm probably going to gift this to my granddaughter for Christmas or something, because I've got so many hair tools, guys. It's getting pretty thick in there in the bathroom. But I'm going to give this to my granddaughter. I'm sure she can use it and will enjoy it. Either one of them. Mama might even use it too. I don't know. But this does not feel like it's worth $150. It doesn't look like it's worth $150. No, like, not saying bad things about this brand or anything, but yeah, that's not $150, guys. You could get better. That's all I'm saying. Okay, let's see what the next one is. It's not a lot in here this month. The Sophia My Belle Lip Slick Fruit Oil Lip Oil. So you think you're slick. This lip oil gives you soft, glossy lips with no tackiness. It's lightly colored and applies to the lips like a slick, transparent oil with a fruity twist. Use it for a nourished look or in place of your lipstick on days that call for a chill look. MSRP $22. I think I have tried this brand with something else. I think it was their oh yay, and I got the nude color. I seen they had like a whole bunch of stuff, new ones of these, and I was like, oh, if I got one, I'd want that light color. Oh, it does smell so good. I already had like lip gloss on, so yeah, it smells really good. Really nice. Okay, and the next thing is the macaroon lip scrub. Looking to have juicy and smooth lips? This lip scrub is just for you. Made with organic and all natural lip safe ingredients. This scrub smells just like a freshly baked macaroon delight. And guess what? You can lick it off because it's made with real sugar. MSRP $18. Why does mine look empty, guys? There's no safety cover or nothing. Yeah. I'm just gonna rub some on the back of my hand. Mine looks half empty. It smells good. But I'm not putting it on because it looks half empty. Okay, and the last thing is Belle and Argent Reframing Brow Gel. Let's reframe things, shape brows with this jojoba infused brow gel that's long lasting and flexible with a clean formula that feels comfortable throughout the day. Realize all your full feathery brow dreams will with our fine brush that doesn't miss any spots, made with jojoba oil to condition and promote the growth of your brows. MSRP $19. Today we have the brows laminated down. I think that's coming up there. We'll try this one. Now I did get their, I think it was their mascara in one of my boxes, and it wasn't bad. Oh, I like the brush. Maybe I'll start putting this on and then I'll slick them down. We can go with that. We can use this. Okay, so that was it for the BoxyCharm base box for November 2022. It sucked. I'm gonna be honest. I don't sugarcoat anything. This, I mean, I just do not see somebody paying $150 for this. I really, really don't. You could go to Ulta and buy something really nice for $150. This feels more kid-like to me than it does adult. That's just my honest opinion. That's when we'll give it to my granddaughter. This is nice, like this. I liked this. I really would have loved this, but there's no protection. And mine looks half empty. So I'm afraid to use this, and it smells really nice, and I bet it's really nice. But I'm afraid to use it because it didn't have a protective cover on it. And the Ofra Midi face palette, yes, I'm glad to get this. I cannot wait to try it. So yeah, I mean, this box didn't suck completely. There was 4 things in here, or 3 things in here that I liked. But this, putting this in there and making this $150, if you could feel it, you would understand. I have a brand new tool over here, and it is heavy because it's made of real sturdy things that will last for a very long time. This does not feel like that. So I would say between both these boxes, my Ipsy was better. So yeah, Ipsy won this month, BoxyCharm won last month, and the month before, I do believe. But yeah, let me know what you thought of the things that I got in my box. What was one of your favorites? What do you feel like me saying that this box was not that great because of the opened lip scrub and this so-called $150 hair paddle brush dryer? I don't know. Let me know what you think of the box. Do you like it? Do you hate it? You know, just let me know. And guys, that is going to be the end of this video. Remember, if you want to try out BoxyCharm, the link will be below in my description box. And I also have a 1K giveaway going on right now until the end of the month. If you want to get in on the 1K giveaway, which is the entire Glamlight Michaela Pot 2 collection that I'm giving away, make sure that you go check that video out, watch the video in its entirety, and then go down below in that video's description box and click on the link and follow the directions. And guys, thank you so much for being here. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern lady from the South, then please hit subscribe, ring the bell, and I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.